We're here at Burton and I'm currently underneath some random road bridge. Yeah, we came here from Chesterfield. We saw two freight trains pass. And yeah, there's a HST GWR car set that's coming all the way from like Plymouth all the way up to Derby Litchurch for the Railway 200 event, which I will be going to on Saturday. Just barely missed it. It passed. It's just gone into the massive depot. But apart from that, yeah, just barely missed it. So yeah, we've got a very busy day today, chasing a bunch of trains, and then finishing off at a station that I've not been to and I've always wanted to go to. The plan is, under the weather sign, there's a couple of freight trains passing through, so we're gonna go see them. There's another train that's going. I forgot if it's going. I think it's going to Derby Litchurch Lane, like that HSC was. But yeah, that's a bit late. But yeah, we've got a couple of freight trains that we're going to be seeing passing through, and then we're going to head over to Tamworth. Oh. 6807. Let's go 66 on the back. 66433 on the back. $37,501. 331 013. Okay, we just saw the trains. I saw a 37, a couple of 66s, 331, and yeah, saw a 37. So now we're going to be heading down to Tamworth for another freight train, could be a 66. Then we're going to come back here in like an hour. So yeah, now we've just got to get across country and take that over to Burton again to see a train that we're going to be seeing over at another place at the end of the day. Well, in the end, everything fell apart. We were going to see the train to Wembley at Burton, then chase it down to Wembley Central for the first time. Meant to be a 37, but it ended up not running. So we've came here to Leamington Spa to see a Network Rail, which was probably going to be Caroline again, but annoyingly that's not running as well. So now we're here with number 12, which is going to be at the Grace Gathering event. But tomorrow, which is the 30th of July, very busy day. Tornado, Blue Peter, Sir Nigel Gresley and Flying Scotsman's all going to be running down to Derby. So we're going to have a busy day chasing that. In for a next video. Sorry, that's very loud. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I don't really say this much, but please like and subscribe, or just subscribe, whatever. I don't mind. It all helps out so much. But yeah, thank you so much for all the support lately. Nearly at 70 subscribers, so fingers crossed we're gonna see 70 soon. And yeah, it's nearly been a year of me doing YouTube, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.